Hello everyone, welcome back to the Dibya classes. So today we are going to solve question number 12, 13, 14 and 15 of chapter 4. Let us start solving the questions. First one is question number 12, and that is write a program to find the addition, subtraction, division, modular division and multiplication of any two numbers. So question number 12, you have to do total 5 things, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modular division of two numbers. So your input is two numbers, let it be A and B, and your processing is all these 5, and your output after processing all these 5 you have to print all the values. So let us start solving in BlueJ. So first we'll create a class Q12. We'll write the skeleton, public void. We'll take input, that is two numbers. And now we'll calculate all the 5 things. That's addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modular division. So for that we need a variable. Let the variable be x. So first we'll do addition. X equal to a plus b. Done. Then we'll print the value. Addition, it is present in the variable x. Similarly, we'll do all the calculations. I'll just copy paste and change it. Subtraction, then we have multiplication, then we have division, and finally we have modular division. If you remember, in question number 10, I told you that in that question we can take only integer value because it was asking for quotient and remainder. Here it is asking for division and modular division. So here you can take both int and double and you will get your answer accordingly. But when it is asked for quotient and remainder, remember that time you have to take integer values only. That is the difference. When it is asking for quotient and remainder, you will take int value. If it is asking for division and modular division, you can either take int or double, both are fine. So here the best is double, so we'll take double. So now we'll run this program. Let us take the value 5 and 5. So if you add, you will get 10. If you subtract, you will get 0. If you multiply, you will get 25. If you divide, you will get 1. If you do modular division, you will get 0. And everything is double, so it will be 10.0, 0.0, 25.0, 1.0 and 0.0. So we got the answer: addition 10, subtraction 0, multiplication 25, division 1 and modular division 0. So now we'll complete this program by writing the remark statements and variable description. This is input, this is your processing, and this is your printing. End of method. This is your end of method. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You written 4 comments. Now we'll write the variable description. So after writing the program in your copy, we'll give the heading variable description with 3 columns, variable name, data type and remarks. The variable name we have used are A, B and C and X, and all are double, double, double and double. To store a number, B is again to store a number, and X to do mathematical calculation, because we are using the same variable X multiple times for addition, subtraction, division. So you can write to do mathematical calculations. Correct? Let us move to next question. That is question number 13. Question number 13 is similar to question number 16. I solved question number 16 in chapter 4 video number 3. It is same to that. So I will not go in solving this. I will share you the PDF. You can get the answer in the PDF that I will be sending. We'll go to question number 14. Question number 14 is quite interesting. The question says, the sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers is given by the formula 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube till n cube equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. So if you add first 10 natural numbers, for example, so if you want to add the cube of first 10 natural numbers, then you get some answer. Without adding and taking time, you can use this formula to get the same answer. So let us take an example. So let us do the sum of cube of first 3 natural numbers. The first 3 natural numbers are 1, 2 and 3 and they are cube. We'll add those. So that is 1 plus 8 plus 27. So we'll get the answer as 36. So without adding, we can also use this formula where n is 3. 3 plus 1 by 2 whole square. This is nothing but 4 by 2 whole square. This is 6 square. This is 36. So if you add, you will get 36. If you use the formula also, you will get 36. So we can say that sum of first n natural numbers is also given by this formula. You can use the formula. Both are same. So now in the question it has asked to find S, where S equal to 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube plus till n. So sum of first n natural numbers start from 1. So here you can see 1 cube and 2 cube are missing. Okay. So we already know 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus n cube equal to n plus 1 by 2 whole square. If you take these two terms to the right hand side, then what will happen? It will be 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube plus n cube equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 cube minus 2 cube. So if you want to find the sum of first n natural numbers starting from 3 cube, you have to use this formula. And how do we find it? This is pure mathematics. Taking some terms from RHS to LHS or from LHS to RHS, you have already done in mathematics. So here input is n, the last natural number. Processing is you have to use this formula to find 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube till n cube, and finally we'll print the value that we'll find after calculating this formula. So let us do this in BlueJ. So first we'll create the class, then write the skeleton, public void DNM. The skeleton is done. Now we'll do the input. Here the input is n, the last natural number you can say. And then we'll calculate S, where S is given by the formula n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. Now how to find square? You can use math function, math.power 2 minus 1 cube, that is 1 into 1 into 1. You can also write direct 1 also, because 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 only, that is 1 cube is 1. And similarly we have 2 cube, that is 2 into 2 into 2, that is nothing but 8. And finally we will print the answer that is present in the variable s. Let us run this program. So for example, if I input the value of n as 5, then we'll get answer as 216. So let us check if this answer is correct. So n is 5 into 6 is 30 divided by 2 is 15 into 15 square, that is 15 into 15. We got the answer as 225. Minus 1 cube, that is 1, and minus 2 cube, that is 8. So answer is 216. That means our program is correct. Now we'll write the remark statements. Input, this is your processing, and this is your output. And you can write this is declaration. Correct? 4. Okay, done. Next our job is to write the variable description. So we have written the program. Now we'll write the variable description. First you have to give the heading variable description. It will have 3 columns. Variable name, data type, and remarks. Where the variable name, we have taken R, N and S. N is of int type and S is of double type. To store a value, to calculate and store a value. Okay, done. There are only 2 variables used, so we have written the variable description. Now we'll move to the next question, that is question number 15. So question number 15 says, write a program to input total number of quantity purchased of an item and the cost per item. Means you will buy something. So how many you bought and what is the cost of this item? For example, you went to a shop and you bought 5-star. How many 5 stars? You bought 10 5 stars for your friends. It is your birthday and you want to give 5 stars to your friends. So you bought 10 5 stars and each 5 star is assume rupees 10. So total you bought for rupees 100. 10 rupees 5 star and you bought total 10. So 10 into 10, 100. Total cost is 100. So now the program continues and it says that find and print amount paid by the customer after getting 30% discount. 30% discount. Since it was your birthday, the shopkeeper told that he will give you 30% discount. Means 30 by 100 into 100. This is your discount. Discount on the total amount. That is 100 minus 30. 70. So this is the amount you need to pay to the shopkeeper after 30% discount. So this is mathematics. You must have studied about discount in mathematics. Discount is given by the formula discount percent into total amount. So after discount you have to pay some amount, final amount. You can say the final amount after discount is given by total amount minus discount. So you have to find this one, that is the final amount after discount. So for that you have to also calculate discount. So this is a formula to calculate discount. So let us write a program for this. So input, is your cost of the item purchased and number of items purchased. Processing, you have to calculate discount and final amount, and output you have to print the final amount. Let us write this program in BlueJay. So first we'll create a class Q15. We'll create the skeleton class Q15 public void. We'll take the input. Here input are total number of items, let it be n, and the cost of item, let it be c. I have taken n as int because number of items will always be in integer form, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay, and I have taken double c because cost can be in decimal point. For example, you bought an item which cost 10 rupees 50 paise. Maybe it happens, so it can be in double also. So it can be in real form. So we have taken double. So we can input both integer or real. Then we'll do the processing. So first you have to calculate the total amount you have purchased. So double T is the total amount, for example. So it is n into c. Then you have to calculate the discount. That is 30% into total amount. And now we will calculate the final amount. Let it be FA. It is total amount minus discount. Finally, we'll print the value. System.out.println final amount to be paid present in the variable FA. So now this completes the program. Let us see if our program is correct. We'll take the example of that 5-star only. So we bought 10 5-star, each of 10 rupees. Final amount is 70. So we are getting the answer that is required. So our program is correct. We'll write variable description, calculating total amount, calculating discount, calculating final amount, inputting total purchases and cost of each item. Okay, so we've written 4 remark statement. Now we'll write the variable description. So we'll give the heading variable description, variable name, then data type, and then remarks. The variables used are N, C, TAD and FA. N is int, rest other are double, 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 double. To store number of items, to store cost of item, to store total amount, D to store discount, and FA to store final amount. So this completes the program. So in this chapter we have solved 16 questions which are very important. Soon we will be having our exam which will be related to this question. So prepare well, because this is your first step towards programming in Java. In next chapter we will be learning new things and we will be doing more programs in the coming days. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.